Wheel of Gold is a free crypto faucet that lets you gain crypto every 30 seconds with no investment. There are 25 coins to choose from, and withdrawing to a CWallet is fast and free. Now, it's not going to make a ton of crypto for you in one click, but for people who are looking to get their foot in the door with crypto or just looking to stack up some coins, you can definitely build something up if you stick with this over time. And I made a list of what you can earn off of this as of October 26th. And while these numbers can change as the crypto prices change, these numbers should be fairly accurate for a while. And you can see they have USDT, they have Tron, Doge, BNB, Litecoin, etc., etc. So let me show you how this works real quick. So if you go to Faucets, let's do Dogecoin. That's pretty simple. You scroll down here, click the little captcha. It's going to give you a little taller, those castles. And then click claim. And then there it is. And then every 30 seconds you can do that. And you can go through all of these coins. And like I said, I showed you the list earlier so you could see what each one will give you. Next, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to hook up a CWallet, which will give you instant free withdrawals. And I put my referral to CWallet in the description. It's another free and easy way to help support the channel, which would be greatly appreciated. But the way to hook this up is you see right here, your email. So let's go back to the website. You're going to click more and go to profile. And then you're going to take that email that you had in your CWallet, put it right here, put your current password in, and then click update. At that point, you can go to your wallet. You just click withdraw for Tether. Click CWallet, sorry about that. There's that one. Let's do them all real quick, and I'll show you them all in my CWallet. There's Tron. Get rid of the ad real quick. There's some Dogecoin. And some of them only have Faucet Pay, and maybe in another video we'll do a Faucet Pay tutorial. Do a little bit of Litecoin. A little bit of BNB. And I think that's it. And there you go. You can see I have a little USDT, some TON, some LTC, some Doge, some BNB, and some TRX. I actually put in the other two coins just to try it out. But you can see just how easy it is to withdraw with this wallet. One thing I did want to show you is if you go to support, and if you have Telegram and go into this group, they're actually incredibly helpful. I have had no real problems with it, but they'll give you updates if it ever goes down. And like I said, there's no real investment in this, so there's no real risk. But they seem really good so far, and I recommend them. Another way to earn from Wheel of Gold is referrals. So if somebody uses your referral or invite code, you'll receive 10% of their lifetime commissions. But this is just a bonus for the person who gets their code put in. So if you want a free and easy way to support the channel and get these videos out faster, I'd appreciate it if you use my code that you see on the screen and is also linked in the description. And that's all there really is to it. There's no investment options, there's no risks. I think it's really good for people who are just trying to get into crypto or for people who are already into it but want to build up a different coin than they already have. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best free and investment crypto and Bitcoin apps and share them with you with the best detail I can come up with. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use the referral code for CWallet and for Wheel of Gold that I've linked in the description. And if you feel that I bring value to you in these videos, I have memberships for $1 a month. It gets you these videos out a little bit earlier. I'll give you a shout out. And I don't take any sponsorships to make all of these videos unbiased. So the memberships really do mean a lot to me. And a big shout out to Casey Moulton. He's now my 3rd member, and it really means a lot to me, bro. Thank you so much. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.